Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the fuel and its types. You know, what do you mean by fuel? You will say petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal, charcoal. लकड़ी चलने के बाद जो कोयला बनता है, that is known as charcoal. So these are the firewood. These are different kind of the fuel. So when they burn, they produce heat and light. They produce heat and light. So what is the accurate definition of the fuel? A substance that burn in oxygen to produce heat and light. A substance that burn in air to produce heat and light known as a fuel. Example: petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal, charcoal, LPG, right? So look over here, the all kind of the fuel, in all kind of the fuel, whatever it is, petrol, diesel, kerosene, firewood, whatever the fuel, LPG, in all kind of the fuel, which is what is the common? They are made up of hydrogen and carbon. They are made up of hydrogen and carbon. It means all the fuels contain hydrocarbons. We will say hydrocarbon. Carbon plus hydrogen. They contains hydrogen and carbon. Our body made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen basically. Some other elements are also present over here, but in less amount. Now look over here. The fuel, how can we say that which one is a good fuel? At earlier time, cow dung cakes are used to cooking food, to cook the food. Firewood is also used, but it produces too much large amount of the smoke. So right now, nowadays, these are replaced by the LPG. So what is the criteria to define, to select a fuel which has the good quality? So look over here. The efficiency of fuel is measured in terms of calorific value. In which calorific value? This one, calorific value. The efficiency of a fuel is measured in the calorific value. So what is the calorific value and how can you define it? So when we take 1 kilogram of fuel, when we take 1 kilogram of the fuel and it produces heat energy, the amount of heat energy produced on burning 1 kilogram of the fuel in the presence of oxygen, the amount of heat released, liberate during the burning of 1 kilogram of fuel. This is known as, we compare different kind of fuels. When we compare different kind of fuels, we will say this is more efficient, this is less efficient, this is good fuel, this is bad fuel. Got it? So calorific value, the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of a unit mass of the fuel. The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of a unit of mass is called as calorific value. Calorific value energy. 1 kilogram mass produced how much energy? 1 kilogram mass produced how much heat energy? Heat energy, look over here. Heat energy is measured in the kilojoule, kilocalorie. So kilojoule per kilogram. Kilojoule per kilogram. 1 kilo on burning of the 1 kilogram of a substance, it produces how much joules of energy? How much kilojoule of energy? This is known as calorific value. Calorie is also a unit of energy. Joule is also a unit of energy. Got it? Now look calorific value of different fuels. We can start from over here. Cow dung cakes. Minimum calorific value 6000 to 8000 kilojoule. Kilojoule per kilogram. So we will say kj upon kg. Kilojoule per kilogram. Cow dung cakes 6 to 8000. Firewood 17,000 to 22,000. 17,000 to 22,000. Coal थोड़ा और 25,000 to 32,000. Now biogas. Biogas 35,000 to 40,000. So least efficient cow dung cakes 6,000 to 8,000. Firewood 17,000 to 22,000. Coal 25,000 to 32,000. Biogas 35,000 to 40,000. By these cow dung cakes, firewood and coal, these are the solid fuels. Solid fuels having less calorific value than the gases. Gas, biogas 35,000 to 40,000. Now look, now some liquid fuels. Liquid fuels, petrol 45,000, kerosene 47,000. Kerosene is used as a fuel in the rocket. Kerosene is used as a fuel in the rockets. So kerosene 47,000, diesel 50,000. That's why diesel engines having more average mileage in comparison to petrol. But the diesel complete combustion do not take place due to defect of their engine. That's why diesel vehicles replaced by the petrol vehicles. Petrol and CNG vehicles. Diesel 50,000, LPG and CNG about 55,000. LPG and CNG about 55,000. Now hydrogen 1 lakh kilocalorie per kilogram. Maximum calorific value is of hydrogen. But hydrogen we can't use as a fuel hydrogen because hydrogen is not helpful in burning. It start to burn itself. ये खुद आग पकड़ लेती है and it causes blast, explosion. If there is complete combustion of hydrogen takes place, then it is the best fuel and it do not cause any kind of the pollution. That's why these are the under concern of the research work. So solid fuels having least efficiency, cow dung cakes, firewood, coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene petrol, diesel, kerosene, they are more efficient than the solid fuel. 45,000, 47,000, 50,000. But gaseous fuel, biogas, and hydrogen, LPG, CNG, these are more efficient fuel because why these are more efficient? Because their handling is very easy. That can be filled into cylinder. Their handling is very easy. Their handling, carrying, and they have high efficiency. That's why the gaseous fuel are the best fuel in comparison to the solid fuels, and liquid and gaseous fuel are more convenient, more efficient. Now look types of fuel. On the basis of the availability or source from which they obtain. The fuels are of two types: primary fuel, secondary fuel. Secondary fuel are need processing, that's why these are also known as processed fuel. Primary fuel, the fuel which do not need to be processed, they directly used as they present in the nature, they directly use. Ready to use. Ready to use: coal, firewood, cow dung cakes. These are examples of the primary fuel: coal, firewood, cow dung cakes. The fuels which need to be processed, without processing they can't be used directly. From nature we can't take and directly use them, because before using they need to be processing by some chemical methods. So the fuel which need to be processed through chemical methods are known as, before they use, are known as processed fuel. Petroleum products. All the petroleum products, LPG, CNG, diesel, petrol, kerosene, they need to be processing. Fractional distillation. We will discuss later on about the fractional distillation in detail. So they need to be processed. बस इतना याद रखेंगे. Now look types of fuel on the basis of their physical state. On the basis of physical state, the fuels can be solid, can be liquid, or can be gas. The solid fuel: coal, cow dung cakes, firewood, paraffin wax, candle, paraffin wax, coke. These are the examples of solid fuel: coal, coke, firewood, cow dung cakes, and paraffin wax. Now liquid fuel, the fuel which occur in liquid form. Example: LPG. LPG is a gas, but it occurs in the high pressure. It occurs at the high pressure liquefied petroleum gas. Petrol, diesel, kerosene. These are some examples of the liquid fuel. Now gaseous fuel. Gaseous fuel: compressed natural gas. Compressed, not liquefied. It is compressed natural gas. CNG. Yes, coal gas, water gas, and biogas. Coal gas, water gas, and biogas. These are some examples of the gaseous fuel. Now look, the liquid and gaseous fuel are more advantageous or have more advantages over the solid fuels. Why? So look over here. Liquid and gaseous fuel having higher calorific value than the solids. Solid fuel, they have low ignition temperature. Only one spark is sufficient, but for solid fuel, their ignition temperature is higher, they need more and they take more time to catch fire or ignition. Next one, they burn completely, while the solid fuels, when they burn, they produce the residue. These are easy to, convenient to store, easy to transport. So these are easy in comparison to solid, because solid takes too much space. Next one, easy to transport. Next one, rate of combustion of the gaseous and solid fuels, liquid fuels, can be controlled by using the valve. We have valve in the LPG at our home cooking gas. So what are the advantages? Number one, high calorific value, low ignition temperature, burn completely, convenient to store, easy to transport, and rate of combustion can be controlled easily. But the solid fuel, on the other hand, एक बार start हो गया तो it takes too much time and it releases too much heat. Got it?